If you are a YouTuber, a streamer, or content creator, and you are still manually streaming videos the old ways, you are already way behind. Because today, in this video, I'll be showing you something powerful and AI, which is powerful, smarter, faster, and it's also AI powered. So, welcome to my space. My name is Abdulatif, a proud member of Team Amatip Digital Box. In this video, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to use one of the most powerful AI videos clipping tools available right now at the Amatip video clipper. So as we can see, there are a lot of video clipper out there. There are many video clippers out there, in which streamers use them, YouTubers use them, and also agencies also use them. But not all of them are intelligent. The Amatip video clipping is AI embedded. It does not just cause videos, it understands speeches. It also analyzes engagement and predicts highlight moments. This is not just editing, this is a smart content creation. So in this video, I'll show you how to access the digital box, how to generate clip and how to generate clip from YouTube links, how to upload your own video, how to use AI prompts, and how to pick viral ready clips, and how to post them for maximum reach. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to visit digitalbox.amatip.com. This is the dashboard. Then scroll down. At the toolkit, we'll see video clipper, inventory management, project management, and project management. So we have to just click on the video clipper, learn more. Okay, let's wait to load. This takes us directly to the video clipper. So this takes us directly to the video clipper, and this explains the interface. AI powered video clipping, which says upload your video and let our AI find the best highlights, create engagement clip in minutes. So here we see the home and my clip. So let me walk you through this and how it works. Upload your video, upload your video directly or provide a YouTube URL. Okay, to that. AI analysis, like I said earlier, in help in AI analyze help in AI analysis. So our AI analyze your video content and identify key moments. Yes, and identifies key moments. So download clips. Download your AI created clips and full transcription. So here it says upload your video. Instead of scrolling down, we can just click on get started, take us down here. So it says upload your video. You can you can drag and drop video or click to browse. It could be from your gallery and from your video on your system or your pictures and from your videos on your system. Or we can just enter a URL of a YouTube link or a video link, which of any of them. So I would love to use a YouTube URL. So let's head down to YouTube. So let's head here to YouTube. Then let's copy this. Okay, copy. Then let's head back to the video clipper. So let's paste the link here. Control V. Then proceed. We can set the clip length 30 seconds, then the speech language, then also custom prompt. We can prompt it, but let's just still continue first. Okay, let's proceed the video. Process the video, I mean. Okay, here the video is processing. So it said video processing Your video is being processed. Please wait while our AI analyze the content. Okay, let's wait. So we notice how this AI automatically detects the best highlights, which is doing this without me scrubbing through the entire video. This is so efficient, and it's also downloading again. This is very, very efficient. Like, this is the best. Okay, let's just wait for it to download some things. Yes, downloading. So I'm just scrolling through, like, okay, let me just be cutting and be trimming. No, the AI automatically doing it. So this is the process log. So we can see here, this is what's bringing up. So finally, it's being processed already, which is 100%. So we can pause here, delete, or auto scroll. So let's just wait. So the total of these clips are just 1224 in success 21. So there was no error there, which is zero, no warning. So let's get back. So it has been processed. Then here, view all clips. We can also upload another video, but let's just continue with this. View all clips. Let's wait for it to load. Oh, let's wait for my screen to respond back so we can continue. So it's back online again. Okay. So here is just the two clips which from the video. This is just the two clips. So we can download and we can play the clips. So the full transcript still loading. So this is the process video. These are the videos here. Just these ones. Then wait. Probably still loading. So let me just waiting for it to finish loading. So we can play and see if it's the right video we download from the YouTube URL from the YouTube. So let's wait for it. Here we can add another video to process it. So we can add another one or back to process to start from the beginning. Here we can add another video to process it or back to process. So start from the beginning again. So the I don't know why my internet is kind of bad here. But with that, okay, let's check if it's okay. It's working. Still rolling, still rolling. Oh, there was okay. Is this one? Wait for it. For it, we can also watch if it is the right one. So let's.
Or Messi. Messi.
So without wasting our time, let me just okay, we can see what I'm saying, we can see what I'm talking about.
Is Ronaldo to go? 100%.
So let's head back to the video clip again. Let's go back. Okay, let's go back. Um, so right here when we are, so we can still paste the URL again. So we can prompt it here where instead of searching for it like stream 3 minutes, so we can just search. It said okay, Ronaldo or Messi. Okay, okay, let me just search where he said Messi, Ronaldo or Messi. Now, Ronaldo or Messi. So it's going to generate the trend. So this is optional, the time frame. Let me just put 10 seconds in that. 15. So let's process the video to see where it said Ronaldo or Messi. So it's processing it. So it's still working. So it's still processing it. 55%. Let's keep waiting for it to finish processing it. So it says right here, analyzing analyzing trend potential. Almost done. 85%. So once it's done, like you can see it's done. So let's just view the clips. Which we said should. Let's view it. Not again. Not responding. Let's just wait for the Chrome to respond to it. Alright, it's back. So this is the trend it was bringing out for it. So this is everything. Alright, Ronaldo. You see when I search Ronaldo Messi, so it's bringing out if Ronaldo. So this is what he said there. Everything where Ronaldo Messi has been mentioned. So this is it. 5. Alright. You can see. And also we can use the transcription for caption. Like let me see. Ronaldo Messi Ronaldo the GOAT 100%. Alright, it's out there. Speed is no universe that Ronaldo the GOAT. So we can say this is the full transcription of it. And video clips again, back to it. Then we can download and clip it. We can download the video. And also again, we can upload our own MP4 file and we can adjust the clip duration, use custom AI instruction, then compare results. Then this shows the transcript features, right? So that is that for this video clipper. It's very easy and it doesn't take much time, just very easy and fast, and it's very smart. The AI is very, very smart. So I would gladly recommend this for anyone who is a YouTuber or a streamer or an upcoming streamer or a YouTuber that he or she wants to be clipping the videos like clippers also. You know there are what's the name? clippers for streamer, clippers for YouTuber. So this is very good for them. I recommend it for them. So we come to the end of how video clippers work and how we can use the video clipper and the AI in it. So if you find any value in this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. This is Amatip from Digital Form Team Amatip Digital Bots, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.